In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a carousel in Webflow. So first, open your page in the designer. Then next in the left panel, click on Add Elements and search for the slider element. Now drag the slider component onto your page exactly where you want it to appear. So here in the slider settings, you can add more slide by clicking on the Add Slide button. And to customize each slide, you can drag elements like images, texts, buttons, or videos in the slide area. You can also adjust the slider settings by clicking on the gear icon. So here you can change the animation, duration, and arrows or dots. And finally, in the style panel, style your slides to match your site's design. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!